Today I will take you on a sunrise mission, and every sunrise mission means that you get to see the city without tourists, traffic jams,
mode. Oh shit.
well, and there are some problems sometimes. In my previous sunrise mission I showed you guys how I captured these beautiful shots, and this time around there are no exceptions. It's early AM sunrise chasing mission. And as always, I carry all my gear in this backpack. Time to get ready and install my favorite filters. Let's go!
What's going on, drone pilots? Today we have another drone mission, successful hopefully. You guys liked so much my first drone adventure in Istanbul and you left so many good comments. Thank you to everyone, and I decided to film another one, and today our location is Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque. We will film hopefully beautiful sunrise out here. Without further ado, let's take off. Okay, so I locked in all my GPS satellites, 24 satellites. Everything is good. Let's fly. I'm a little bit nervous, and right now 70 meters up. You see it's a little bit too bright, and I wish I put a little bit darker of an ND filter, because right now you see as the sun rises up it's becoming only brighter and brighter, so I will have to adjust my shutter speed. So okay, this is beautiful, man, look at that. Oh my god, let's just tilt the gimbal a little bit down, and you see I always have my assist tools, which is the zebras. They tell me where I am overexposed. Let's try to film portrait videos for Instagram, for reels. So I'll just fly a little bit forward. Super easy, super relaxed, 4K 30 FPS. So I mapped my special function key. If you press it once, it rotates the camera. If you press it 2 times, then the camera tilts down. So that helps me to avoid all unnecessary moves on the screen. I don't have to take my hands off the remote controller. Now I just want to fly a little bit forward, and before doing that, let's take a couple of photos. So enhancing the image quality, yeah, it works good. Let's take one shot over here. We're clear. I will just map my frame like this, hit start. That's it. I'm not touching anything. I don't have to do anything. It says control stick moved. I did not touch anything. That's weird. Let's do it once again. It says control stick moved. I don't know, guys, I did not touch the remote controller. If you know why this happens, let me know down in the comments. My hands were like this basically. Now let's finally do some portrait videos for Instagram reels, and now we'll turn around. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Let's film this right away. We have the ship right in the middle. Okay, oh my god, this is the money shot. It looks so beautiful, man. I know you can see here in the app is just not color graded version, so it's a D-Cine like, but it's still so beautiful. And let's fly backwards, and this reveal, I think this goes straight to my Instagram account because it looks amazing. It's so beautiful, and you see like the ship is right in the middle. Oh my god. And also, guys, I want to show you a really cool technique how you can make super cinematic shots without any effort and using only one stick, really. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want just to drag a box around this subject and the drone will track it, and all I have to do is just, you know, go straight, right, left, any direction I want. I don't have to do any tracking manually. I even can maintain the visual line of sight with the drone without losing it, and at the same time just control the Mini 3 and have the beautiful tracking shot. Just so you know, you can use this shot only in 4K 30, and now all I have to do, I just press the right stick. Yeah, I don't have to do anything. One stick, I'm touching only one joystick. It's incredible, man. Let's take a couple of photos also. Now let's take a horizontal photo. All right, awesome. And oh, control stick move. I did not touch anything. Add mode. Oh, I lost the connection, guys, I lost the connection. The drone is just flying somewhere. Oh my god. What do I do? Okay, I have to land. I have to stay calm and just bring the drone back. No worries.
Guys, and this is why it's so important to maintain the visual line of sight with your drone, so in case the remote controller loses the signal or you have problem with image transmission, in that case you can land your drone manually, and so I did this time. And hopefully we captured some beautiful footage. Okay, now let's check it out. And something is off. Why is my footage so out of focus? And the dynamic range seems to be so poor. I don't understand it. Is it a camera or memory card? Is that my neighbor next door? Hey neighbor! What? I can't hear you.
Epidemic sound!
Oh yeah, that's right. Transform your videos and take them to the next level with a massive variety of music and sound effects from Epidemic Sound. It is the service I use for all my drone and commercial videos. So get yourself a special deal following the link down in the description below. Okay, this is much better. Look at this lighting and color grade. The video looks exceptional. Look at this beautiful city. Oh my god, guys. I said it many times and I will say it again. Istanbul is the best city in Europe and probably the best city in the world. Look how cinematic it looks. We have Bosphorus Strait right behind Hagia Sophia, and if we go to different angle and fly backwards, oh my god, look at this lighting. It's just incredible. You can't beat it. Early AM sunrise missions, they are the best. Can you imagine that this city was built over 1,000 years ago? Exactly in this spot, this is where the Eastern Roman Empire moved from Rome and they created this beautiful city called Constantinople. And then the Ottoman Empire took over and built their own city around it, and it's just incredible. There is so much history in every single frame of this video. And I love the lighting so much in this shot. It looks amazing. We have rich shadows, we have very smooth highlights, and if you add a little bit highlightation with color grade, it just looks incredible. Istanbul is a truly unique city and I cannot wait to show you guys more with my next sunrise mission.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. All the links in the description below. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. If you like these drone missions, let me know where I should go next, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.